Take fresh page, everyone. Keep heading. Chapter 3, Decimals. Take fresh page on the top. Keep heading. Chapter 3, Decimals. Take fresh page on the top. Keep heading. Chapter 3, Decimals. Take fresh page on the top. Keep heading. Chapter 3, Decimals. Yeah. Firstly, listen carefully, students. All students stop writing. Yeah. Firstly, I want to narrate one story. After that, I will start my concept. Okay. Firstly, I am going to narrate one story. Listen carefully, everyone. What is the story? Listen carefully, everyone. There are two friends. Listen carefully, everyone. There are two friends. First is Ram. Second is Ria. Listen carefully, everyone. There are two friends, Ram and Ria. Ram and Ria went to market to buy some stationery items. Listen carefully, everyone. Ram and Ria went to market to buy some stationery items. Ram said, I have, Ram said, I have 5 rupees 75 paisa. Ram said, I have 5 rupees 75 paisa. Again, Ria also came to the same shop. She told, I have 5.75 rupees. Listen carefully, students. Listen carefully, students. Ram and Ria went to one shop. Ram told, I have 5 rupees 75 paisa, and Ria told, I have 5.75 rupees. Now, shopkeeper was not that much talented. He told, he was he was very confused. Listen carefully, everyone. Shopkeeper was confused. He is thinking, who brought more money? Then after that, one more person has come. Third person, Mr. Kumar. Mr. Kumar has come here. He told, okay, shopkeeper, you don't worry. I am explaining who brought more money, who brought less money. And then he told, listen carefully. Then Mr. Kumar told to shopkeeper, Ram brought 5 rupees 75 paisa. Then this 5 rupees 75 paisa I can write by using decimal, means 5.75 rupees. Both are equal. Means here rupees and paisa we are separating by using decimal point. Here rupees and paisa we are separating by using decimal point. Means we can say here the decimal point, we can say dot or decimal point. Dot separates the rupees parts from the paisa part is called decimal point. Now decimal point is separating between rupees part and paisa part. After that, finally shopkeeper understood, yes, both both brought same money. 5 rupees 75 paisa means 5.75 rupees only. Means here rupees and paisa we are separating by using dots. That dot is nothing but decimal point. That dot is nothing but decimal point. Now what is the meaning of decimal? What is the meaning of decimal? Decimal number, or we can say simply decimal. Decimal are fractions with denominators 10, 100 and 1000. What is decimal? Decimals are fractions with denominators 10, 100 and 1000. Note down, everyone. Keep heading left side. Decimals. Left side keep adding decimals. Now this story understood everyone? Both brought same money, but shopkeeper was confused. 5.5 rupees 75 paisa means 5.75 rupees. Now left side keep adding decimal. Left side keep adding everyone decimal. Yes, note down everyone. Decimal numbers decimal numbers decimal numbers or simply decimals decimal numbers or simply decimals or we can say decimal number or decimals. Decimal numbers are simply decimals or fractions. Decimals or fractions with denominators with denominators 10 comma 100 comma 1000 etc. What a decimal? Decimal numbers are simply decimals or fractions with denominators 10, 100, 1000 etc. Now listen carefully students. Decimal number includes three parts. Listen carefully everyone, don't write. Decimal number includes three parts. Suppose I want to write here 5.75. Listen carefully everyone. Suppose I want to write 5.75. Don't write, listen carefully. 5.75. Now this decimal number is including three parts. Listen carefully. Decimal number is including three parts. Before decimal number is called whole number. This is called whole number. And after decimal number, this is called decimal part. Listen carefully, don't write. This is called decimal part. And third is called, the dot is called decimal point. This dot is called decimal point. Means what we have observed here. Decimal number includes three parts: whole number, decimal point, and decimal point. Decimal number includes three parts. First is whole number. Before decimal point is called whole number. After decimal point is called decimal part, and but point and dot is called decimal point. Now one more question is students here. 5.75. Why we are not reading 5.75? Why we are reading here 5.75? Listen carefully everyone. Why we are not saying 5.75? Why we are saying 5.75? Yes, why we are not saying 5.75? Because after decimal point, value will be less than 1. Very good. Mahalakshmi is giving right answer. After decimal point, the value will be less than 1. That's why we can't speak like one stays 100. We can speak like tenths, hundredth, thousandths. That's why we can say here 5.75. Why we are reading after decimal point individual digits? Because after decimal point, digits are less than 1. Note down first star point. Decimal number includes, note down first star point. Decimal number includes, decimal number includes decimal number includes decimal number includes three parts. Decimal number includes three parts, that is, IE means that is whole number, comma, decimal point, and decimal part, and decimal part. Very interesting concept, students. Decimal number includes how many parts? Three parts. First is whole number. Before decimal is called whole number. After decimal is called decimal part. And that point is called dot or decimal point. Yeah. Note down this, students. 5.75. You can take, students, any decimal value. I have taken 5.75. First is 5. Second is 7.5. This is called whole number. Before decimal is called whole number. After decimal is called decimal part. That point is called dot or decimal point. This is called decimal point. Decimal number includes how many parts, student? Three parts: whole number, decimal part, and decimal point. Before decimal is called whole number. After decimal is called decimal part. And that point or dot is called decimal point. Note down second star point. Note down second star point. In a decimal number, comma, a point or dot, is called decimal point. Second star point. Decimal part is a number value Decimal part is a number value which is less than 1. Second star point is very important. Decimal part is a number value which is less than 1. Third star point, fourth star point now. Decimal point is used as a number separator. Decimal point is used as the number separator. Means decimal point is separating to decimal whole number and decimal part. Decimal point is used as a number separator. It separates the whole numbers and the decimal part. Decimal number is acting as a number separator. It separates whole number and decimal part. Note down example. Example. Two 2.5, comma 4.36, comma 0.46, comma dot dot dot, etc. Yes. Now students, can you tell me what is the real time examples of decimal? Yes. Real time examples of decimal, we can say, already we know 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Okay, decimal, it is coming here. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Means if we want to measure any length, then we are using inch. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Next, the average human body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. This is the average body temperature of the human. Okay. Next, everyone likes pizza. You are going to Domino's slice pizza. That cost, that person, the shopkeeper told that cost is 500 rupees 0.75. Here also we are using here decimal concept. This is the real time examples of decimal. We are using so many places. Now keep fading everyone. Types of decimals. Keep fading everyone. Types of decimals. There are mainly two types of decimals. There are mainly two types of decimals. Keep heading everyone. Types of decimals. Types of decimal. There are mainly two types of decimal. There are mainly two types of decimal. First is like decimal. Like decimals. Second is unlike decimals. First is like decimals. Second is unlike decimals. First is like decimals. Second is unlike decimals. Yeah, very easy concept, students. What is the meaning of decimal, like decimal, and unlike decimal? Listen carefully, everyone. Stop writing. Stop writing, everyone. Yes. Listen carefully, students. What is the meaning of like decimal and what is the meaning of unlike decimals? Very easy concept. Decimals with equal number of digits after the decimal point. Listen carefully. Decimals with equal number of digits after the decimal point. After decimal point, if digits are equal, that is called like decimal. If digits are different, that is called unlike decimal. I am writing one example here. 2.54 and 127.36. Listen carefully, students. When I am talking about like and unlike decimal, always I want to check after decimal, not before decimal. This word, listen carefully, students. If I want to check like and unlike decimal, I want to check after decimal point, not before decimal point. After decimal point, digit is 2. After decimal point, digit is 2. Both are like decimal. Again, listen carefully, students. If I want to check like or unlike decimal, we will never check before decimal. Always I want to check after decimal. What is the meaning of this like decimal? Decimal with equal number of digits after the decimal point are called like decimal. Don't confuse you. Don't say, sir, before decimal digit is 1 here, before decimal digit is 3 here. How you can say like decimal? That's why I told to you students, if I want to, if I am talking about like and unlike decimal, always I want to check after decimal, not before decimal. Always I want to check after decimal, not before decimal. Listen my word very carefully, students. If I want to check like or unlike decimal, I want to check after the decimal point, not before the decimal point. Suppose one more example I'm writing, students. 2.6 and 4.78, 34.789. Listen carefully, students. After decimal point, digit is 1. After decimal point, digit is 3. Both are equal or both are not equal? Both are different. This is called unlike decimal. After decimal point, digit is first in first question. After decimal point, digit is 2. After decimal point, digit is 2. Both are like decimal. After decimal point, digit is 1. After decimal point, digit is 3. Both are unlike fraction, unlike decimals. Again, listen carefully, students. If I want to check like or unlike decimal, always I want to check after decimal, not before decimal. Keep adding like decimals. Keep heading everyone. Like decimals. Like decimals. Decimal with equal number of digits. Decimal with equal number of digits. Decimal with equal number of digits after the decimal point. After the decimal point are called like decimals. Underline this point, this line, students. After the decimal point. Example, 2.46, comma 368.14, comma 9236.92. You are observing, students, in this first example, after decimal point, digit is how many? Digits are 2. Digits are 2. Digits are 2. Digits are 2. Both are like decimals. On the bracket, you can write 2 decimal place each. 2 decimal places each. Two decimal places each. If I want to write second example, 4.6, comma 2.8, comma 90.3, comma 123.7. In this second example, you are observing, students, after decimal digit is 1. Then we can write 1 decimal places each. Note down, everyone. I hope, students, you are getting my point. If I want to check like decimal or unlike decimal, always I want to check after decimal, not before decimal. Second key heading, unlike decimals. Unlike decimals. Key heading, unlike decimals. Unlike decimals. Note down, everyone. Decimals with unequal number of digits. Decimals with unequal number of digits. Decimals with unequal number of digits after the decimal point after the decimal point are called unlike decimals. Are called unlike decimals. Example, first example I am writing, student, concentrate everyone here. 2.76 comma 8.368 comma 232.9. You are observing, students, after decimal point digits are different. 7, 6, 2 decimal, 3 decimal, 1 decimal. That is called unlike decimals. Second example, 4.876 comma 19.23 comma 8.78567. After decimal points digits are different, that is called unlike decimals. 3, 2 digit, 5 digit. Again I am explaining, students, if I want to check like or unlike decimal, always I want to check after decimal, not before decimal. Yeah, I hope you understood about like decimal and unlike decimal. Yes, concentrate everyone here again. Stop writing, everyone. All students stop writing. Yes, concentrate here. Suppose I am writing here 392 point, listen carefully, 392.786. Listen carefully, students. Just now I have written this 392.786. Now you are observing, students, this is ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundred place. Before decimal point, I can write very easily. This is stop. Before decimal, we can say ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, like, and we can say. But after decimal, how to say? This is not one. This is not tens, because after decimal point digits are